Okay, hi guys. So I'm going to cut out my image and I'm going to glue it onto my ornament. I printed this on a paper napkin and you should be able to see that in the last video. I'll link it in the description box. The videos should be in order. So this image is about the size of, I hope you can see what I'm doing. Anyway, it's about the size of my ornament, and I printed it on a paper napkin, or a napkin from just like a kitchen napkin. And now I'm just going to trim the edges. Fairly self-explanatory. I just wanted to show you how to do it. And it's kind of hard to cut a very thin piece of paper, but that's why you're using a thin piece of paper, because it's the best thing to use for decoupage. So here's my ornament. And then I'm just going to put glue onto the surface, and I'm going to place it on the front, and I'm just going to secure it that way. It might be a little bit too big or whatever, but you can just smooth it out and fit it over the top. So here I have my glue. You don't need a lot. There we go. Just going to put it right there. Doesn't have to be perfect. Be very gentle. Push down very lightly with your fingers. Just get the base image on there and try not to rip the napkin. Even if it rips a little, it's okay. So there you have it. And then from here, I will include the instructions in the blog post. I might do another video on this just to show you how I embellish this. I'm going to add more glue around the top and trim the excess edges off, and then I'm going to add glitter and a bow, and I'm going to decoupage over the surface to seal it with a nice shiny finish. And that's how you decoupage with a napkin. You can print anything you want from the internet. Any picture that you find, you can resize it, put it into a word processing document, and make beautiful decoupage projects with it. You can print on napkins, gift tissue, wax paper, anything you like, using the same method that you'll see outlined here in this blog post or in some of the other videos where you find this. It should be clearly labeled so that you can watch the video and see it take place as it's happening. Alright, I hope that helped you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for being here. See you in the next video.